Just now we try to enable the load on startup in yesterday's sessions, and we have deployed yesterday. We have deployed the application called where is my web apps yesterday's application abc.jsp, and we did this modification. What we did here, we applied our declaration tag. Under this declaration tag in the JSP, we have overridden two convenience method, lifecycle convenience method. These are not lifecycle methods. Okay, what are those? JSP init and JSP destroy. And there we try to write a message, and this message will be printed on a server console, right? So, कमी करा था fan? Anyone? Hoto. So again, we try to override a JSP destroy method. And what is the code you wrote? What is the code I written in the scriptlet tag? That will be embedded into underscore JSP service method. Whatever. What is the code you have written within the scriptlet? This will go into JSP service method. Okay, leave it. So this is my load on startup. Okay, now again I will go to here. So what I'll do, I'll start my Tomcat. I'll start my Tomcat in my web.xml. This is my abc.jsp web.xml. The home to web apps Tomcat. Let me delete the yesterday's folder. Shift delete. Shift delete. Delete it now. Now what I'll do, simply start a server. Bin. Fine. So as I told you earlier, whatever the code you write within the scriptlet tag, this code will embed into where? Where? JSP service method. And what is the code you write in declarations? Okay, that will be part as a declaration of your JSP solid JSP equivalent solid class. Okay, so where do you observe this code? Go to Tomcat work Catalina localhost, where you will find a JSP equivalent solid program, and search for your deployment directory structure name Apache JSP, and you can open your abc.jsp. Look, JSP service. Where are both the methods? Huh? Add into declaration, right? Fine. Let me minimize this one. Let me reload once again. I'll go to here where I'll go to my Tomcat. Yes, it's working fine. Let me open once again. So where are my underscore JSP init and JSP destroy? Did I open different application? Oh, I have not saved it. Okay. Did I save it? No. Let me save it. Let me close once again. And let me reload the application if possible. Otherwise, we can restart the server if you wish. And now, just open the .jsp file, .java file, and look for your both the methods. Where these are, your class is ready. Your class is ready, and on this class, these are not embedded into service method. These are the separate, which is a part of declarations. Here, integer number is declared, JSP init, JSP destroy, right up, and and then your service method. Where is the service method? So this is your service method, JSP service, What the code written in a scripted tag will embed into JSP service request. Fine, and you can see the output if you refresh your page. Control F5. So I already refreshed. So hello, I am from abc.jsp, and the destruction of a JSP object is not in my hand. This operation will be taken care by whom? Whom? JSP container, na? So I don't have any rights to delete the JSP object. Fine. So the next session we shall see about one more interview question. The interview question is what? What happens if source code of a JSP equivalent solid is modified by the programmer directly or manually? So let me add that note point here. Hash. Already we have seen here. आपण काल पाहिले आपण. काल नाही, day for yesterday or yesterday. What happens? What happens if source code of JSP equivalent solid JSP equivalent solid code. What happens if source code of a JSP equivalent solid file or solid program is modified by the programmer directly, or you can call manually, So what is my intention is to ask this question. Now creating of JSP equivalent solid program is the responsibility of a JSP container, right? Right. Now once this code is created, if I modify, will it reflect? Will it reflect in the output? Already we have seen. So let's see this answer.